Good morning, students. I am your SST teacher, Snehal teacher. In the previous video, we learned about two periods of Indian history, the ancient period and the medieval period. Today, we are going to learn about the modern period of Indian history. We have already discussed that in the medieval period, many powerful dynasties ruled over India. One of the powerful dynasty, the Mughal dynasty, ruled in India. After the decline of the Mughal Empire, decline means came to an end. After the decline of the Mughal Empire, other companies from Europe started trading with India. Means after Mughals, European came to India for trade, such as companies from Portugal, Netherlands, France, Britain, etc. came to India for trading purpose. All these companies had competition with each other. The British defeated Netherlands and France. What was the purpose of the Britishers came to India? Now you can answer why they came to India. So, what will be the answer? Yes, for trading. They came to India for trading. Trade means to buy and sell the things. Though they came to India for trading, but they ruled over India about 200 years. So, how many years the Britishers ruled over India? 200 years. As the people from other country ruled over India about 200 years, obviously as they came to India, many changes took place in India. For example, architecture, culture, fashion, language, educational system. As the Britishers were ruling over India, Indian people disturbed because they started exploiting Indian people. To exploit means to take advantage of someone in order to get profit. So they started to take advantage of the Indian people for their profit, and this led to a struggle. Struggle in the sense efforts to get free. So this led to a struggle against the British rule in 1857. Students, can you identify the given image? Whose picture is this? Yes, it is the picture of Rani Lakshmibai. Who was Rani Lakshmibai? Lakshmibai, the Rani of Jhansi, was an Indian queen of Maratha princely state of Jhansi in North India. Now currently present in Jhansi district in Uttar Pradesh. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857. What is the meaning of a rebellion? It is a violent organized action by a large group of people who are trying to change their country's political system. So, Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai went in opposition to the Britishers in 1857. This 1857 rebellion, also considered as First War of Independence. Who participated in it? Common people and other leaders with Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai. Students, I am sure that you must have identified the given image of the person. Yes, the given image is of Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi led the freedom struggle. He introduced to the world the concepts of ahimsa, non-violence, and satyagraha. peaceful civil disobedience. Use non-violent mode of protest such as satyagraha against the British. Here, the meaning of the protest means a statement or action expressing disapproval or objection to something. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist. He joined the Indian National Army INA, which was an armed force formed by Indian nationalists in 1942 in Southeast Asia during World War II. INA was formed in 1942 to fight the British and gain independence for India. When India became free from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Yes, after the struggles by the freedom fighter for nearly a century, made India free from British rule on 15th August 1947. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Students, here we have completed our lesson Introduction to Indian History. Hope you have understood. Read the lesson carefully at least 2 to 3 times and try to find out the answers of the given objectives. Tick the correct answer, true or false statements and match the following. And write or tick mark the answers in the textbook only. No need to write the objectives in the notebook. In the next period, I'll give you the notes of this lesson. Before that, you try to find out the answers of the question. Thank you.